You didn't click on this video by accident. YouTube's algorithm chose it for you. Every scroll, pause, and every time your mouse hovers on a thumbnail, the system is learning. And whether you realize it or not, you're constantly training it. This system is a recommending and learning beast that shapes what over 2 billion people see, think, and feel every month. Over the next few minutes, we're going to follow a single YouTube video on its journey, from upload through invisible AI gatekeepers to the brutal competition to land right here on your screen. By the end, you'll realize YouTube isn't just a platform, it's an ecosystem, and you're part of it. Most people don't realize that a video passes through multiple layers of AI before anyone sees it. The moment your video is uploaded, YouTube AI springs into action. The video is scanned by something called Content ID, YouTube's digital watchdog. This Content ID system reads file names and descriptions. It listens to the audio, analyzes the video frame by frame, and even picks up subtle waveform patterns, looking for matches to a massive database of copyrighted content. With billions of digital fingerprints such as songs, movie clips, sport broadcasts, and even random sound effects stored in this system's memory, Content ID can detect and flag copyright matches almost instantly, long before you can click play. And it does this in seconds. But copyright is just the first checkpoint. There's another, more invisible army called the Policy AI. This system is trained to detect hate speech, graphic content, harassment, misinformation, and anything that triggers public backlash by listening, analyzing visuals, and even picking up on contextual cues. It assigns risk scores to every upload. If that score is too high, the video could be demonetized, restricted, or deleted automatically, or sent to a human moderator for final judgment. Think of it as a million invisible moderators watching every frame, scanning every word, all at once. And the mind-blowing part is that most of this happens before a single person ever hits play. Your favorite creator might think their video is going straight to their audience, but the truth is, it has to pass the machines first. Our video has passed the AI gatekeepers, but that doesn't mean it'll get seen. To reach you, it has to win the algorithm's favor and enter the real test, the recommendation system. YouTube's recommendation engine is the most powerful content delivery system in the world, and it's powered by deep neural networks that constantly learn, adjust, and evolve. Every time you open YouTube, the algorithm creates a personalized long list of about 200 videos for you. It doesn't just randomly grab trending videos or stuff from your subscription. It does this by comparing your behavior to millions of others. Things like what you watched yesterday, what people like you tend to watch next, how long you lingered on a thumbnail without clicking, what you click on at midnight versus noon. The system blends two methods: collaborative filtering, which looks at patterns across similar users, and content-based filtering, which analyzes the actual makeup of the video, like its title, tags, topic, style, even the pacing of the edit. It's kind of like how Spotify does it, but on a much bigger, more visual scale. After candidate generation, that is, creating the long list, those 200 videos go through a rigorous ranking based on dozens of signals like click-through rate. Do people actually click when they see the thumbnail? Watch time. Not just whether you watch, but how long you watch. Session duration. Does that video keep you on YouTube longer? Satisfactory surveys. Yes, those little pop-ups asking if a video was satisfying actually feed the machine. The system is not optimizing for truth or even quality. It's optimizing for one thing: what keeps you watching. Every click you make, every video you skip, is fuel for the AI, And you'd be surprised to know you're not browsing YouTube. YouTube is actually watching you, processing 80 billion daily signals to refine what it shows next. Here's where things get more interesting. The AI is starting to create content and not just curating anymore. Take something as simple as auto chapters. The AI now watches a video and breaks it into segments, not just based on timestamps, but based on content. It understands when a section starts, when a topic changes, and when a transition happens. Another cool feature is Aloud, YouTube's AI dubbing tool. A creator can record a video in English, and the AI translates it into Spanish, Hindi, and Portuguese, all in the same voice, tone, and emotion. If you think that's cool, peep this. Creators can now generate backgrounds, music, even B-roll, just by typing a prompt with a feature called Dream Screen and AI Assets. If you need a moody synth track that builds tension, or want a futuristic cityscape as your video backdrop, you don't need a crew or budget, you need the right prompt. AI has now become a creative assistant. It watches videos, translates them, edits them, and now it's learning to create them too. YouTube AI is powerful, no question. But here's the part most people miss. It doesn't exist in a vacuum. We are one half of the algorithm. Your behavior trains, shapes, and powers it. It creates communities, but also echo chambers. It rewards curiosity and sometimes fuels conspiracies. Consider this. Nielsen reports that YouTube reached 12.8% of US viewers, surpassing Netflix at 8.3%. By some estimates, it's on track to eclipse Disney as the biggest media company in the world, with projected 2025 revenue of $70 billion. That scale means the algorithm is shaping collective attention, not just individual tastes. We are not just users, but also co-creators. And as AI takes on more of the creative work, like editing, scripting, even generating content from scratch, we'll have to ask ourselves harder questions. What kind of content are we encouraging? What behavior are we rewarding? What version of reality are we enforcing? Because this will affect our identity, beliefs, and culture. The question should move beyond, what is YouTube showing me, to, who is my attention turning me into? You thought you chose this video, but maybe it chose you. If you want to stay ahead of how AI is shaping the world, your content, and creativity, hit subscribe.